Welcome to my study channel. Our today's topic is history. Friends, this is our fourth video on this topic, and without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in dash. Answer is 1915. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in dash. Answer is 1915. Next question is in which city Mahatma Gandhi launched Satyagraha in 1916? In which city Mahatma Gandhi launched Satyagraha in 1916? Here answer is Champaran. Next question is what was Rowlatt Act? It was the act through which the government got enormous powers to repress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. ये रॉलेट एक्ट था. इसके साथ ही गवर्नमेंट को इतनी पावर्स मिल गई कि वो किसी को भी बिना किसी वारंट के, सर्च वारंट के या बिना किसी भी दोष के जो है 2 साल के लिए जेल में डाल सकते थे. इसीलिए जो है ये जो एक्ट था बहुत ही इसका विरोध किया गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द जलियांवाला बाग इंसिडेंट टुक प्लेस ऑन डैश. हियर आंसर इज 13th April 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on answer is 13th April 1919. Next question is who was the author of the book Hind Swaraj? Here answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Hind Swaraj जो book थी उसके author कौन थे? Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is the non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in dash. Here answer is January 1921. नॉन कोऑपरेशन खिलाफत मूवमेंट कब शुरू हुआ था? जनवरी 1921 में. व्हेन वाज नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट कॉल्ड ऑफ बाय गांधी जी? हियर आंसर इज 1922. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वाज द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट कॉल्ड ऑफ बाय गांधी जी? हियर आंसर इज ड्यू टू चोरा चोरी वायलेंट इंसिडेंट. फ्रेंड्स, ये जो नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट है ये इसलिए गांधी जी ने बंद कर दिया क्योंकि चोरा चोरी वायलेंट इंसिडेंट के दौरान क्या हुआ कि लोगों ने बहुत सारे पुलिस स्टेशंस को जला दिया, उसके जो वहाँ पे कर्मचारी थे उनको जो है मार दिया. तो इससे जो है गांधी जी को बहुत गहरा झटका लगा और उन्होंने जो है इसको आंदोलन को बंद कर दिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अनाउंस्ड ए वैग्यू ऑफर फॉर डोमिनियन स्टेटस फॉर इंडिया इन 1990? हियर आंसर इज वाइसराय इरविन. हु अनाउंस्ड अ वैग्यू ऑफर, ठीक है, ऑफ डोमिनियन स्टेटस फॉर इंडिया इन 1919? आंसर इज वाइसराय इरविन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लाहौर सेशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस इन 1929? व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लाहौर सेशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस 1929? हियर आंसर इज अ पैक्ट बिटवीन इंडियन लीडर्स एंड ब्रिटिशर्स वर साइंड. Next question is Mahatma Gandhi started his famous salt march from his ashram in dash to the Gujarati coastal town of dash. Here answer is Sabarmati. Mahatma Gandhi started his famous salt march from his ashram in Sabarmati to the Gujarati coastal town of Dandi. यानी कि साबरमती से लेकर डांडी तक उन्होंने जो है साल्ट मार्च किया था. Next question is which incident marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement? Here answer is when Gandhiji violated the SALT Act. Which incident marked beginning of the civil disobedience movement? यानी कि कौन सा ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो है वो शुरुआत थी सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट की? तो यहाँ पे जो है when Gandhiji violated the SALT Act. Next question is under the Gandhiji Urban Pact, Gandhiji dash. Gandhiji decided to call off the civil disobedience movement. Under the Gandhiji Urban Pact, Gandhiji decided to call off the civil disobedience movement. Next question is most businessmen of India came to see Swaraj dash. Here answer is when colonial restrictions on business would no longer exist and trade industry would flourish without constraints. Next question is who said the Swaraj would not come for 100 years if untouchability is not eliminated? ये किसने कहा था कि स्वराज जो है आप लोगों को 100 साल तक नहीं मिलने वाला अगर जो है अनटचेबिलिटी जो है इसको जो है दूर नहीं किया गया? तो ये कहा था महात्मा गांधी जी ने. आंसर इज महात्मा गांधी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु ऑर्गेनाइज्ड द दलित्स इनटू द डिप्रेस्ड क्लासेस एसोसिएशन? हियर आंसर इज B.R. Ambedkar. Who organized the Dalits into the depressed classes association? Here answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question is the Pune Pact was signed in dash. Here answer is 1930. Most important question. The Pune Pact was signed in dash. Answer is 1930. Next question is the Pune Pact was signed between dash and dash. Again most important, Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. The Pune Pact was signed between dash and dash, Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Next question is who created the first image of Bharat Mata? Here answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who created the first image of Bharat Mata? Here answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question is who was the writer of Vande Mataram? Here answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question is dash was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh incident? General Dyer. Who was the author of the famous novel Anand Math? Here answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question is Gandhiji in his work Hind Swaraj said that. Gandhi जी ने अपनी हिंद स्वराज जो बुक लिखी उसमें क्या कहा था? said that Indians must not cooperate with the British. Next question is the resolution of Purna Swaraj was adopted at which session of the Congress? Here answer is Lahore. Who led the peasant movement in Oudh during the non-cooperation movement? Who led the peasant movement in Oudh during the non-cooperation movement? Here answer is Baba Ramchandra. Next question is dash headed Kisan Sabha? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is which was the main cause for boycotting foreign goods during non-cooperation movement? Here answer is a symbol of Western economic and cultural dominations. Which was the main cause of boycotting foreign goods during non-cooperation movement? Answer is a symbol of Western economic and cultural dominations. Next question is which pact resolved the issue of separate electorates for Dalits between Gandhi and Ambedkar in 1932? Here answer is Pune Pact. Which pact resolved the issue of separate electorates for Dalits between Gandhiji and Ambedkar in 1932? Here answer is Pune Pact. The leader of militant guerrilla movement in the Gundan Hills was. The leader of militant guerrilla movement in the Gundan Hills was dash. Answer is Alluri Sitaram Raju. ये था इसका लीडर. मिलिटेंट गुरिल्ला मूवमेंट में जो है जो लीडर ऑफ मिलिटेंट गुरिल्ला मूवमेंट का जो है कौन था? अलूरी सीताराम राजू था. Next question is who passed Rowlatt Act in 1919? Here answer is Imperial Legislative Council. Imperial Legislative Council ने जो है इसको Rowlatt Act को पास किया था. Next question is who had Congress ignored the Dalits for long? Why had Congress ignored the Dalits for long? Answer is for offending the Sanatans. ठीक है, सनातनीज जो है उनको offend करने के लिए, for offending the Sanatanis. Why had Congress ignored the Dalits for long? Answer is for offending the Sanatanis. So friends, here today we have completed 30 important questions. Thanks for watching this video. Prepare well, perform well. Thanks. Bye bye.